Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Director General Shaheen Shorthand System. Judiciary notes, page number 5 and 6, dictation speed 100 words per minute. If you want dictation at 80 words per minute, then set speed on 0.75, and if you want dictation at 120 words per minute, then set speed on 1.25. Ready? Start. The divorce deed squarely shows that it was irrecoverable divorce because it was pronounced on 1st March 2005. Three times in the written divorce deed in presence of the witnesses, full stop. It was in the above background that the petitioner was paddled up for litigation, and she brought two separate suits, one for recovery of arrears of maintenance allowance, recovery of dower, and the other for the recovery for dowry articles in the family court, Multan, on 17th June 2005. Full stop. While as a counterblast, the respondent Muhammad Ghazanfar Khan instituted a suit for restitution of conjugal rights on the plea that the divorce given was revocable and was not final. Full stop. It may be stated here that the respondent has also contracted second marriage in the meanwhile. Full stop. Keeping in view the sky high rocketing prices of daily commodities and needs of life, the trial court decreed the suit for arrears of maintenance at the rate of rupees 1000 till the time of iddat, and also decreed the suit for recovery of rupees 1 lakh as dower. Full stop. Besides the landed property described in the column of within commas nikah nama was also decreed after holding that it was within the jurisdiction of the family court, as the petitioner / plaintiff was residing at Multan within the jurisdiction of the court. Full stop. Further, decree for the recovery of dowry articles was also granted on the basis of evidence and because of the admission made by the respondent / defendant that the dowry articles were lying with him, albeit these were earlier denied by him in his written statement. Full stop. The district appeal court, while seized of the two cross appeals, modified the decree by setting aside the decree of the judge family court with regard to the land measuring 200 canals in district D.I. Khan, and also the decree with regard to the dowry articles. Full stop. The order of the district appeal court is absolutely sketchy, being bereft of reasons, much less cogent one, and is also against the statutory law on the subject. Full stop. The learned judge in chamber of the Lahore High Court, Multan bench, wide impugned judgment, without going through the scheme of Family Court Act, amended up to date, jumped at the conclusion that all the issues involved in the case were beyond the jurisdiction of the family court, and in this regard the learned judge, without any care and caution to observe, relied on the view held in the case of Muhammad Akram versus Musammat Hajra Bibi and two others, which view is based on the judgment of the learned single judge of the Lahore High Court, Rawalpindi bench, where similar view was held in the case of Alauddin Arshad versus Musammat Nilofar Tareen. full stop. The preamble of the West Pakistan Family Code, Act 1964 is to the following effect, preamble, whereas it is expedient to make provisions for the establishment of family courts for the expeditious settlement and disposal of disputes relating to marriage and family affairs and for matters connected herewith, full stop. In the schedule amended up to date, the matrimonial disputes include, dissolution of marriage, include within bracket khula, door, maintenance, restitution of conjugal rights, custody of children and visitation rights of parents to meet them, guardianship, justification of marriage, personal property and belongings of wife, full stop, before promulgation and enactment of the Muslims Family Laws Ordinance 1961 and the West Pakistan Family Code Act 1964. Such matters were dealt with by the civil courts or criminal courts with regard to the maintenance allowance, which was a cumbersome, lengthy and tiring procedure, full stop, for getting the final relief of her grievances. The wife had to wait for years for recovery of door, maintenance and other ancillary matters. Stop writing please. Stop writing.